Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete chat history on Deepseek. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Deleting all chat in Deepseek allows you to maintain order and organization in your chat history. This makes it easier for users to manage their interaction, eliminating unnecessary or outdated conversation. It can also help increase privacy, especially if the message contains sensitive information. Deleting all chat can be beneficial for people who want to start using the app from scratch without previous safe conversation. Such an option gives more control over the stored data and provide the user with more freedom to manage their chat history. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, first you have to open our Deepseek apps. Now you can just tap on the up left corner here, the two lines over there. And here's all your chat history on your Deepseek. If you want to delete it, you can just tap and hold on the conversation. There is an option, delete on it. You can just tap on that. Are you sure you want to delete this chat? You can just tap on delete. So the conversation will be deleted from your this Deepseek AI. We will delete this one too. So now I have no history chat on my Deepseek. So simple, right? So that is how to delete chat history on Deepseek AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.